What is our actual nature? It says Acchedoyam. I cannot be, cut into pieces. I cannot be cut into pieces. Nobody, my body can be cut, but I cannot be cut. I am the soul. Here there is one beautiful story about an Indian yogi, at the time of Alexander. When Alexander came to India and he annexed some parts of northern India, and then he wanted to go back because he was kind of tired and he didn't want to approach further, so he wanted to go back. But then he remembered that when he was coming from Alexandria, one of his ministers once told him that if you happen to reach India, if you happen to be successful in reaching India, bring one yogi from India, the wise man. Bring one wise man with you from India. It will be good for your kingdom. So Alexander, he suddenly he remembered, wow, okay, I have to look for a yogi because I'm now in India, so I need to look for a yogi. So he sent his men, go and search somebody, some aesthetic or some yogi. So while searching, they found one yogi in a forest, sitting alone in meditation. So the soldier said, "Hey, you come out with us. Our emperor is calling you." Well, no, I don't go. You go. And they could not convince him. They could not convince this yogi to come along with them. So they went to the emperor Alexander and said that yes, we found one yogi, but he doesn't want to come here. He's too adamant. So Alexander said, okay, let me go with you. I will bring him, don't worry. So Alexander comes and he talks to the yogi. Pranam, okay, I'm Alexander. Okay, you are Alexander. Wow, great. So I have come from Alexandria and I want to take you with me to my country. The yogi said, no, I don't want to go with you. I'm very good here. I feel peace here in this forest alone. But Alexander said, no, please come. And the yogi said, no, I am not going to come with you. So at one time Alexander became very irritated, and he said that who am I? I am Alexander. I am the emperor, and I am the victor. I have owned the whole world, and you are talking to Alexander, and you are refusing Alexander's offers. Now I am going to kill you. He said, by being very irritated. The yogi started to laugh. He said, Alexander, till now you were talking sense. Till now I was appreciating you. I don't want to go with you, but your words were appreciative. Till now you were talking sense, but now you have talked like a stupid. Alexander, what did you say? Yes. Now whatever you said, you just showed how much stupid you are. Why I am stupid? You don't know that the yogis do not have death. Whom will you cut? Whom will you cut in pieces? Whom do you scare? I'm not scared of death. Because if you cut my body or if you cut my throat, you will cut my body, that's it. You cannot even touch me. I am beyond this body. Though I appear through this body, but I am not at all attached with this body. I am always separate from this body. Alexander became quiet and he just left. So this is the thing. Acchedoyam. You cannot be touched by any weapons. Forget about cutting you into pieces. Your soul, your real nature, your existence cannot even be touched by any weapon. There is no weapon which can touch you. Achet doyam. You are, you know, you are, you know, you